here I am in the middle of a huge mess. It's a Samsung mess. 4 Samsung 204B monitors. 2 of them broke, 2 of them still working. I'll show you something here. These monitors actually get a little hot inside, and combined with these cheap Chinese capacitors, we got the perfect formula for a disaster. They were sitting over here in the power supply, eating all the power, getting fat and grumpy. Some of them cracked their skull and puked their brains all over the place. So now we got new capacitors here, 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 there, and this one. And now this monitor is working, and it's actually a good monitor. It has a good picture. This one over here, I also changed all the capacitors here, 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 and this one. This little feller here is a pico fuse. In this monitor it was blown, probably because of those leaking capacitors here. And tomorrow I'm going to replace the caps in those 2 over there, those 2 at the right, the one at the left is a ViewSonic. I don't know, maybe I'll try to open it and see how it is, but I'll check those 2 Samsungs at the right before they blow up in my head. That's all for today, folks. Bye bye.